Let me show you how to create a cream shape in Blender. Start by creating an Archimedean curve from the Curve section. Increase the height, set the turns to 5 and reduce the radius growth. Press Tab, go to Edit Mode and select the last point, press E and extrude it. Press Shift A and create a circle. Set the number of vertices to 12. Press Tab to enter Edit Mode, select every other point, press S and scale them. Select the circle, go to the Modifiers panel and add the Screw modifier. Increase the screw value and set the angle to 120. Then add the Array modifier. To fix the issue, enable the Merge option. Now from the Modifiers panel, choose the Curve modifier. Activate the curve object you created. Set the deform axis to Z. Increase the count in the Array modifier to adjust the object along the curve. Now apply the modifiers. Press Tab to enter Edit Mode, select the edge loop, press M and merge. Select the surrounding edges of the shape, press Shift D to copy, press P and separate by selection. Right-click and select Convert to Curve. In the Geometry section, increase depth for thickness. To smooth it out, add the Subdivision Surface modifier. Now edit the edges to refine the shape and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.